This honey jalapeno cornbread is so good and it's so moist. No dry cornbread here. And it has actual corn inside. Let me show you how to make it. So you're gonna start off with a stick of butter and some corn, as well as some jalapeno. Mix that all together and let it simmer with each other so it gets that flavor. Then I'm gonna go and blend it together. And this is going to be our wet mixture along with some milk and some eggs. Set that aside and then mix your dry ingredients, which is flour, yellow cornmeal, some sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and a little bit of salt. Mix this all together before you go ahead and add your wet mixture. And then you're just going to stir this until it comes into a cohesive batter, just like this. Make sure your oven is preheated. In a lightly greased baking pan, pour the batter and spread it out evenly. For a little extra touch of color, you could go ahead and add some of the jalapenos on top as well, and then you're just going to bake it. Once it's baked and still warm, you want to drizzle it with honey all over the top and make sure it's nice and even all throughout. Look how beautiful that looks. It's glistening and you're really going to taste that little hint of sweet, that little hint of heat with a nice moist cornbread. I cannot wait for you to try this recipe.